Hello everybody, we're here today with this beautiful 1973 Honda CL350. It's safe to say we're on a little bit of a CL kick lately, with this being the third CL Scrambler in a row. This is a original bike, it's in original condition, it's unrestored. We'll call it 12,000 miles on the clock with this bike if we round up. It's a beautiful condition bike, it's ready to hop on and ride. This is a running, driving motorcycle, and we'll take you for a ride on it here later today with an onboard camera. I've actually had this motorcycle in my shop here for 2 weeks now, and it hasn't had a drop underneath it. It's a really solid bike. This motorcycle's freshly had new Duro tires put on it. We do a lot of these tires with classic Hondas that we sell. It's a very period correct looking tire that is high quality. It's higher quality than was leaving Honda in Japan back in the 70s. It's the time travel tire. No off the shelf Honda tire is going to be in near usable condition at this point in time. Everything's been dry cracked and hardened, so it's as good as you're gonna get, if not better than what was originally on the machine. And it's good to have some fresh tires on these when you're taking them out, especially if it's a daily driver motorcycle, something you're gonna take to work or use on a regular basis. Some original parts to note on this bike are the HM345 stamped exhaust. These are original exhaust pipes. There's also original mirrors mounted up with the Honda stampings that are visible in the advertisement. In the description below, there's going to be a link to our auction venue. This is going to be where we're going to post the majority of our motorcycles that are for sale. So if you're trying to stay in the loop with the Motorbike Factory motorcycles and see what we have headed to auction, the best place that you can find that is going to be in that link.
All right, so I've got the fuel on, we've got the key on. Off we go. Sounds nice. We'll let her warm up just a little bit.